Hi, today we're going to give you some advice on what to do if you have a lung issue. With the coronavirus doing its rounds, we thought it would be nice if you can have some techniques and some tips that you can use at home to treat yourself. Symptoms of the coronavirus include a dry cough, shortness of breath and a fever. Some patients do get more serious and they develop as severe pneumonia. So if you can treat yourself at home and use these tips, it might just help you from becoming worse. Tip 1. Drink enough water. If you take enough fluids in, it will help the phlegm in your lungs to become more loose so that you can cough it up easier. Tip 2. Use a humidifier in your room. South Africa has very dry air, so to use a humidifier, we'll put some moisture back into the air and that will help you to breathe easier. Tip 3. Use a nebulizer. You can use normal saline or hypertonic saline. You can get this at your local pharmacy. This will help to loosen up the phlegm. You can also call your doctor to get some medication that will help to open up the chest wall. Tip 4. Use Vicks. You can put it on your chest or at the back of your back. This will also help you to breathe easier. If you don't have a nebulizer that we talked about in the previous tip, you can actually take some Vicks and you can dissolve it into boiling water. You can put a cloth over your head and then you can breathe in the steam. Please just make sure that you don't burn yourself, and this will definitely help you to breathe easier. Tip 5. Do some deep breathing exercises. In our next video, we will go into detail on how to do these exercises. Make sure you watch it. It's very good information. So there you have it, 5 tips that can help you to breathe better. Thank you for watching. Please be safe. Remember, wash your hands and please stay at home. This is the only way we will be able to fight this virus.
Please take note that according to the World Health Organization, COVID-19 transmits through droplets in the air. So please take extra precaution when you treat yourself at home so that you don't infect other family members. Treat yourself in a separate room where other family members does not get to avoid transmission. If you are concerned about it, please do not use the nebulizer.